I will first accept the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will start with a popular movie like Inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. This will provide the first set of feedback arrows and genre overlaps. Step 1. Type card is red. My guess Inception is a movie. Explicitly, target medium equals TV series. Step 2. Year 2010 is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating 8.8 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 8.8, likely 8.9-9.3. No genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, or directors from Inception overlap. Constraints, TV series released after 2012, IMDb rating 8.8, not sci-fi/action/adventure. Type card is red for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2012 and has an IMDb rating higher than 8.8. Breaking Bad 2008-2013 is a high-rated TV series that fits the rating criteria, and the end of its run matches the newer than 2012 hint. I will try to narrow down the genre and specific year. Step 1. Type card is green. My guess Breaking Bad is a TV series. Explicitly, target medium equals TV series. Step 2. Year 2008 is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating 9.5 is yellow with a down arrow, so the target rating is between 9.0 and 9.4. Drama and thriller genres are green overlaps. No actors or directors overlap. Constraints, TV series, newer than 2010, rating 9.0-9.4 includes drama and thriller genres. Type card is green for Breaking Bad, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2008 arrow up and has a rating lower than 9.5 arrow down. Better Call Saul 2015 fits the drama/thriller genres, is newer than 2008, and has a high rating 8.9-9.0 that fits the feedback. Step 1. Type card is green. My guess Better Call Saul is a TV series. Explicitly, target medium equals TV series. Step 2. Year 2015 is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2017. Rating 9.0 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target rating is between 9.1 and 9.5. Drama genre is green overlap, crime and comedy are gray. No actors or directors overlap. Constraints, TV series released after 2017, IMDb rating 9.1-9.5, includes drama but not crime or comedy. Type card is green for Better Call Saul, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2015 arrow up and has a rating higher than 9.0 arrow up. Succession 2018 is a highly rated drama 8.9-9.0 range that fits the criteria of being newer and a drama, though I need to check if its rating is high enough or if it's something like Chernobyl or The Last of Us. Step 1. Type card is green. My guess Succession is a TV series. Explicitly, target medium equals TV series. Step 2. Year 2018 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target is newer 2019 or 2020. Rating 8.8 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target rating is between 8.9 and 9.3. Drama genre is green overlap, comedy is gray. No actors or directors overlap. Constraints, TV series released in 2019-2020, IMDb rating 8.9-9.3, includes drama but not comedy. Type card is green for Succession, so target medium equals TV series. Succession 2018 was yellow for year with an up arrow, meaning the target is 2019 or 2020. Its rating 8.8 was yellow with an up arrow, so the target is between 8.9 and 9.3. Chernobyl 2019 is a highly rated drama 9.4 that fits the year and genre perfectly. I solved today's Cinedle in 5 guesses. The target was the TV series Chernobyl 2019, which I found by narrowing down the medium to TV, the release year to 2019, and the IMDb rating to stellar 9.3.